red hot later on this afternoon into the evening. Temperatures already pretty mild as you step out the door, but a beautiful scene over our Posey Mountain Weatherbug Network camera in Garfield. Notice a little bit of fog, though, starting to show up in far eastern portions of our weather coverage area. So something to keep an eye on as we go throughout the rest of the morning commute. Not seeing that along Interstate 49, but temperatures, whoo, are they mild? Lower to middle 70s from Rochester to Fayetteville, middle to upper 70s in the River Valley as well, with temperatures a little bit cooler just off to the east towards Harrison and Cassville. Both locations sitting in the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees right now. And because those temperatures are a little bit cooler in those locations, we do have that patchy fog situation. You can see visibility reduced to about a quarter of a mile in Harrison, so we'll watch that very closely. Right now, though, the I-49 Interstate 540 corridors looking absolutely fantastic at this time with no issues at all on the interstates and highways. But there is some issue with that heat right now. We've got heat advisories, excessive heat warnings in effect. You can see that excessive heat warning for portions of the River Valley along the Interstate 40 corridor. That does include the Fort Smith area, and that's for heat index values up to 112 degrees. But Northwest Arkansas also included in that heat advisory today. That also goes from noon to 9 o'clock p.m., and that's for heat index values between 105 to 109 degrees. So, folks, make sure you're being very careful if you got those outdoor activities planned, and make sure you're getting that walk with your wonderful pet early this morning. This is our Furcast guest right now. We've got Percy sent in from Susan. Looks like Percy kind of posing for the camera right there. An absolutely fantastic photo sent in from Susan. High temperatures this afternoon, obviously very intense in the middle to upper 90s, so red pause in the forecast. But this morning things should be A-OK as you hang out with your furry friend. Of course, if you want your pet featured on the show, send in those photos to the Weather Authority app or weather@knwa.com. And obviously, satellite radar is very quiet over our weather coverage area, but just off to the east of northwest Arkansas, quite a bit of shower and storm activity going on near Mountain Home in northeastern Arkansas. The stationary front currently draped over central Arkansas at this time, but this trough of low pressure may be the catalyst for shower and storm development over our area as we go throughout Thursday afternoon into the evening. And with all that heat and humidity that's currently in place, some of those storms could be on the strong side, especially along and north of the Bobby Hopper Tunnel. We've got this level 1 out of 5 marginal risk of severe weather in effect for areas along and north of Interstate 40. Damaging winds and large hail look like the main concerns right now. There is some considerable uncertainty in terms of the overall coverage and the track of these showers and storms. Notice we don't have a whole lot of activity going on today or tomorrow morning, but those showers and storms do begin to develop in northeast Oklahoma right around 3 to 4 o'clock p.m. Start to track through northwest Arkansas during the evening hours. I think these models are struggling with that boundary just a little bit. You can see those showers and storms starting to dissipate, at least according to this model, at 7 to 8 o'clock p.m. But I do think these storms will at least make their way through northwest Arkansas before finally dissipating during the overnight hours Thursday into early Friday morning. So we'll watch those shower and storm chances very closely for Thursday night. Of course, we've got more rain chances coming up for Saturday morning as well. You can see a 30% chance of showers and storms Thursday through Saturday. High temperatures not cooling off behind that cold front. In fact, we'll hold on to that humidity as well. Highs are going to be in the lower to middle 90s in northwest Arkansas over the next 7 days, with very mild overnight lows in the lower to middle 70s. Notice how we also have that 20% chance of showers and storms over the weekend in portions of northwest Arkansas. River Valley, brutal heat. Time to chug that water, Perry. Highs are going to be in the upper 90s today through Sunday, middle 90s Monday and Tuesday as well, with a 30% chance of showers and storms in the River Valley on both Friday and Saturday morning. So, hey, you know what? Kiddos are